Hi guys, today I have a beautiful Rebecca and plenty of outside space, and we're on the main road. You can see it's fairly quiet, and that's the other end of the road as well. So let's go over and check this out. It's really beautiful. Got this lovely big terrace, this gate here, very ornate. And you've got this lovely garden here. I've just come over to this side of the garden just to let you see how big it is. And you have a storage shed there, and that is to the back. That gate leads to the back courtyard. But we'll go into the house from the front here. Just here you got some lovely oranges, so you can squeeze some fresh orange juice for yourself first thing in the morning. So this is a lovely property. So let's go in and check it out. As you can see, you've got a lovely long terrace here. So as you can see, there is those lovely Spanish tiles all around the windows and around the door. So let's go in and check this one out. Beautiful Rebecca. So I've just come into the house, and just straight in front of me obviously is the dining room. This is your living space here. You have a ceiling light and fan just there. I'm going to come up to the other end of the room just to give you a feel of the room. You have aircon there by the door, and just down the other end you got that beautiful featured fireplace. You also have another ceiling light and fan. It's quite a large, spacious living room here. I'll go down the other end to give you a different angle. So I'm at this different angle of the room here. So we're going to go through the archway and have a look at the 2 bedrooms and the family bathroom. So come with me, guys. So I'll go into one of the bedrooms first. So this would be the guest room. So just above you got a ceiling light and fan. It's a lovely cozy bedroom. Just gonna pan around. You've got those upgraded wardrobes there, all mirrored, which is quite nice. And over this side of the room you got plenty of shelves and drawers. So it's quite a spacious bedroom. So I'm going to pop in and have a look at the family shower room. So the family shower room in here has a vanity unit and your WC. And this has all been upgraded, and you have your shower there as well. So you got the towel rail just there, the shower. It looks like it's a rain head shower, and you got spotlights, of course, above in the ceiling. Sorry about the flickering, it's only the lights there in front, okay? So, really nice bathroom suite. So I'm going to take you in, and we're going over into the master bedroom. So in the master bedroom, it's really unusual. It's been upgraded as well. You have this lovely decor on the wall. You've got lights and switches on either side of the bed. You got your blackout blinds, and your rec is on the windows, and you've got aircon just there. Just above you've got a very modern ceiling light and fan. Taking the room from a different angle, again you've got your upgraded wardrobes, full length mirror wardrobes, really nice. And you can see it's quite a large room. Okay. So I'll take you through, and we'll go in and around and have a look at the dining area. Now, as I come back and around, you've had a quick glimpse of the living room. So this is your dining space here. You have a table and 4 chairs, but it will fit a table to 6 to 8 chairs, especially if you took that unit out there. You have records and blackout blinds on the window. This has all been really lovely refurbished, and it just shows you what you can do with a Rebecca. So just here, you can see this wall here. You could put some bar stools on there if you want, or just take that out. Now this kitchen has been totally redone. It's really beautiful. And as you walk in, you can see at the splashbacks just above the electric cooker there, where the electric hob is, you got some spotlights. You got your washing machine, and you got a beautiful faucet and lovely tiling around, all nicely done. And as well as that, you've got plenty of top and base units. Just up in the ceiling, you've got some spotlights there. Lovely cupboards, top and base. A really beautiful kitchen. This would be a pleasure to cook your Sunday dinner in. I'm just going to pan around so you can have a look. And I'm going to take you outside now, guys, into the courtyard. So I'm coming out the courtyard. That leads out into the beautiful garden. As you can see, you have got gas boiler there. And this is your outside space. So I'm going to take you up to the rooftop solarium. Here I normally sit outside and have my breakfast in the morning. It's really lovely because the weather is so good over here in Spain. You've got a water point there, and you've got some more storage down there just under the staircase. So I'll see you upstairs, guys. Oh my goodness, guys, I was not expecting this. This is a great use of your outside space, especially when you're in Spain, because it's all about living outside for the main. So you have your loungers, and you've got storage over there. You've got some lovely cushion seats, and you have a shaded bit there where you can enjoy a glass of wine. And more storage. You could put a barbecue on there. Oh no, you've got your barbecue here. Open your eyes, Marie. How nice is that? And you have a shower there as well, so you can cool off in the summer. Got a water point there as well, and this is really, really nice here. I quite like this. Bull's Head Hotel, large family garden, private room for weddings and that. That's really nice. So I'm just going to sit down and take all this in here. Oh, this is beautiful. You could imagine yourself just here, couldn't you? This is really nice. Have a beer in one hand and sandwich and crisps in the other, and just enjoy your outside space. So let's get on and we'll have a look around the garden from down the bottom of the steps. So I'll see you guys downstairs. So I'm just downstairs again now, guys, and we're going to head towards this beautiful garden. So you don't normally have a garden on a Rebecca, but you do in this case. Now this garden is really large and quite nice. You could take that wall down if you wanted off-road parking, but why would you? You've got this extra space here. And do you know what? It's even big enough to put a plunge pool in here. You've also got some storage there, as you can see, just to put your gardening tools or wherever. All right. So if you are interested in this property, do contact Dawn, info@tolettoseltobuy.com, and I see you guys in the next one. Don't forget to share and like on your social media, because somebody out there will love this video, and the house, of course.